Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2011 Physics Past Question 33. The capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor is 20 microfarads in air and 60 microfarads in the presence of a dielectric. What is the dielectric constant? A 3.0, B 2.0, C 0.3, D 6.0. So this is actually a very straightforward question. The dielectric constant is equal to C over C naught, where C is the capacitance, C is capacitance in presence of a dielectric, and C naught is the capacitance in air. So there is no need to convert it because it is ratio, and the dielectric constant of course has no unit. So even if you convert it to farads, you are still actually going to get the same answer. So this is equal to 60 over 20, which is equal to 3.0, and that is option A. So 3.0A is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.